Okay, come on. What you playing? What are we gonna play? Hi, I am. Oh, why are you smiling? Is my booty stinky? Hi, I'm Rarity. What is your name?
Hi.
Why are you hitting me? You are so bad, kid. What is wrong with you? I'm not doing anything. Hey, kid, what's your name?
Poopy. Okay, princess.
Princess.
Yeah, because I got a crown.
What is your princess name? Princess what? Where is he?
Hi, what happened?
How you doing now? You got a cat. Where you get that cat from? Hi. Where you get that cat from? No?
Wait,
You don't
I don't know. Last time we bought this when I was a baby because I like this cat because there's a button right here.
Oh, okay.
So wait.
Is it still working?
No, broke. Wait,
It's broke?
no. It just needs battery. So it means you gotta press this and it talks. Like, but you now it's little like this.
What is your name? What is your cat's name?
Tom?
Tom. Hi, Tom. Oh, that is a nice name. I like that name.
What's your name?
My name is Rarity.
It was Ronnie's sister.
What sister?
This one?
She is not my sister. She is my friend.
Friend?
Yeah.
Okay, I just kidding.
Come on, let's play neighbor. Hi, neighbor.
Hi.
Can we play jump rope? 1, 2, 3.
Wait, Rarity. Wait. I'll link it. Jump rope. Ta-da. Sorry. Okay, you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1.
Oh! I have to jump really, really high.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You'll toggle, Rarity.
Yeah. And there's a pig too. I heard pig. Where's that pig? Right here. Is that right here? No, not pig. I didn't do. Ow, that hurt. I don't want to play with you.
I'm sorry.
I don't want to play with you. I'm gonna go to my mommy. Mommy.
Yes.
There's a little kid in here. She is so rough. Her name is Skylar. And she get a princess and she is so rough. I didn't do anything wrong to harm her and she keep on hurting me. Now I am crying. I'm just going to stay with you, Mommy.
Freeze.
What?
Duh.
No!
You do something wrong, your sister. Now your sister's crying. Look. Because she's
I think I'm just standing in here on Mommy's lap. And now you're hurting me. And Elsa, I didn't know that Elsa is like that. I know Elsa is such a nice, sweet sister.
No, only mommy can do that too. That's breaking stuff.
Who?
Me?
Mommy, you're the mommy of Elsa? Oh.
Wait. I got something to show you.
What am I going to see? Is it a food? Is it a candy? Is it a... Oh, what is that?
A unicorn.
A unicorn.
Yeah.
Where can I see it?
Yeah.
Wow, such a nice, beautiful unicorn. I can't even focus the eyes. Why is the eye so blurry?
Because.
Can't even see what's wrong with this. Is it the camera or the eyes unicorn? But this is fine. Oh, no, it's not fine. What?
Wait, who's that? I'm scared.
I thought you were going to show me food and candy. I'm hungry.
Here.
Come on, Rarity.
Wait.
Let's go get
Let
something.
me tell my brother. This is my brother.
Brother? I thought those are sisters.
No, this is my brother. He's a man. He's a boy. Look, see? I'm a little boy. But I'm a boy. I'm a poop.
Yeah, poop too. Yeah, you look like a poop. Look at this. You look like a girl poop. If you can see, guys, her hair at the left of her hair, but looks like a pink poop. beautiful. Look
No,
at me.
don't do that.
Look at me, I'm Skylar.
Wait. You're Rarity? You said you're
Yes,
Rarity.
I am Rarity and I am beautiful.
I can sing. Look, I'm nice today. All the time I'm nice to my brother because he was so mean. He made me every day because he named me Poopy because I'm a unicorn and sweet unicorn.
You are a sweet unicorn.
I want you
Then
to
show me that you are a sweet
I
unicorn.
can be your
Show me
friend.
that you got heart. Wow.
I'll show
I like
you.
that heart.
Look, watch this.
How'd you do that? Oh, is that for unicorn?
Yep.
Wow, I want that one too.
Wait, your
Can you
horn
put
so...
that in my hair?
No, I can put
Why?
your horn. Wait. Yeah!
Why?
Wait, I'm bad. It was just my brother. It was just
Your
my
brother?
brother. It was just my brother because he got a horn.
Is that how you sing? Or this gotta sing right here?
No, that's me. That was her. Wait, that's this. Hey, don't do that. I'll be right back.
I'm going to move back home.
No, I was gonna hit you. That's my brother.
I'm going to
Keep
move
it.
back home.
Rarity too.
Oh no! My Rarity. Look what you did to my princess
It's a
Rarity.
napkin.
Oh, what is this? It is the blood?
No.
What is this?
It's strawberry.
Strawberry?
Yeah,
Oh, I can't even wipe it.
because it's dry.
Mommy, help me! Please! Thank you.
Hold on. It's rinsing off.
Okay. Am I clean now? Am I clean now?
Not yet.
Not yet.
You're clean.
No. I still got red spots. But that's okay. I can play now.
Rarity, look.
Wow! Is that for me?
Yep.
That is
Wait.
so...
Wait, it's
what
almost
flavor
done.
is that? Is that mango?
No.
Or vanilla?
Yeah, it's been mango. You're right.
Mango. Okay. What is this? A cheese?
No.
No. What is that?
Peanuts.
Oh, what the? Orange peanut?
Yep.
The papaya. Is it papaya
No.
or still mango?
It's still mango.
Oh wow. Can I have it now?
Not yet.
Not yet? I can't wait. I'm so starving.
Okay, we go real quick.
You're so nice to me.
Okay, I'm in a hurry.
What you making now? Is that for toppings? In sprinkles? In candy?
No,
In
just candy.
no candy?
I'm just kidding, Rarity.
Can I have the chocolate on top of it? Because I love chocolate.
Let's see, you have chocolate.
Chocolate, no chocolate
No.
syrup.
No chocolate.
You get chocolate syrup.
Oh, that's what you want.
Chocolate syrup.
Wait. Hold on. Wait till it's ready. I'm just kidding. I am done.
Almost. I thought you were done.
I put the whole thing on the
I think my sister is so silly.
Okay, so it's ready.
Is ready?
I
Wow.
said almost. I said almost ready.
Almost ready.
It matters.
Don't matter?
Yeah.
Okay. What is that topping in there? Oh, it's just
Watermelon?
the watermelon. Wow.
You love watermelon, Rarity?
Yeah.
I love watermelon too.
I love watermelon. I love all the fruits. All the fruits. I
you
can
like
eat
your
all
mom?
the fruits. Yes, it's like my mommy. Mommy eats
I'm sorry.
fruits every single day.
And then you were so proud of her when you was a baby.
Oh, really? Oh,
When I was a baby.
when you were a baby?
Yeah, I eat strawberry and berry and
What else? Banana.
banana.
Like a
apples.
monkey and apple. Ooh, can I lick it?
Wait, not yet.
Oh no, I'm dying not having that ice cream. I think it's melting now.
I'm done.
Wow, really? That is so yummy, delicious. This is the best ice cream I've ever had. Thank you, sister. Oh no!
It's okay, still up.
Killed.
Guys. Bye guys. Super channel. Hit the button right here. See you next time by Sky People and Rarity Sky People. So weird. Bye.